Hey, what's up guys? So Amazfit Bip 6 has finally received a new update, and with it comes a feature that we've all been waiting for such a long time. Now let's first take a look at this new update version. If we go in settings, go in system, go in about, so the software version is 3.10.0.1. And if you've received this update, you will now notice that you get the BioCharge score. Finally, I also received this update a couple of months ago. It was supposed to bring BioCharge score. It said so in the update log, but for some reason, it was still stuck on readiness score. But this update finally actually brings the BioCharge score. So here you can see the BioCharge score in the widget. You can also go in this new BioCharge app and you will see your BioCharge score. You can scroll up to see your wake BioCharge score, and you can scroll up further to see if there are any events, like if you took a nap or you worked out, that will be logged here, and how much BioCharge points that activity costed you or added to your BioCharge score. It will show up here. And then from here you can go in settings, make sure that you turn on all these features. They are essential to record or calculate your BioCharge score. Auto stress monitor and assisted sleep monitor and auto heart rate monitor for every 1 minute. So once you have all of this turned on, your watch will be able to calculate your BioCharge score, which is great. Another feature that has arrived with this update is that if you scroll up and go to your notifications and you tap on the delete all button, it will then take you back to the watch face. It will not stay stuck on notifications. Small change, but improves the flow of the watch functionality. So if I tap on delete all, it takes me back to the watch face. Other than that, there are also a couple of other features. So they have updated the workout voice prompts. There is improved weather data source and refresh logic. They have optimized the sleep score algorithm, optimized the display of the brightness adjustment icon in the control center, and they have fixed other non-issues and improved system stability. So a very similar update that we got on Amazfit Active 2. Now we also have it on Amazfit Bip 6. And if you change your watch face to something like this, you will also see your BioCharge score on the watch face, which is pretty cool. So that's about it from this video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you've also received this update and how's it going for you. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.